back to my channel, and in today's episode I'm going to cook a very famous dessert all the way from my state of Odisha called RASABALI. Well, this recipe is not very popular across the various parts of the country except Odisha, so I thought why not cook something that could be passed from my kitchen to your kitchen and that can be made in no time. Well, this RASABALI is basically paneer patties that are deep fried in either ghee or oil and later dunked in a sweet cardamom milk. Sounds delicious, isn't it? So let's get started. You would need 1 cup of curdled milk or Chhena. Mash it really well so that there are no lumps in it. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to do it. Now add a tablespoon of whole wheat flour and a tablespoon of fine Sooji or semolina into it. And for the flavor, add about half teaspoon of crushed cardamom powder. Mix it well so that there aren't any lumps. Now mash it with the help of your palm so that the dough is smooth. A smooth dough will yield non-cracked patties, and that is what we need. Now squeeze out line-sized balls and flatten them to make discs or patties. A small tip: while rolling it between your palms, make sure to add a little pressure, that way the patties will not have any cracks. Now that our patties are ready, it's time to deep fry them. You can use ghee or oil to deep fry the patties. Well, I have used oil. While deep frying, don't overcrowd the pan, otherwise the patties will not be cooked evenly. Wait until it turns light brown on both the sides. Our patties look pretty decent and are cooked well. Time to take them out and drain them in a paper towel. Don't overfry, else they'll turn hard. Now let's start preparing the rus. In a thick bottom vessel, add the milk and water together and let it come to a boil. Mix it well and wait until it has reduced to only 3/4 of the quantity. We don't want a thickened milk syrup here. Add in about half a tablespoon of crushed cardamom powder and sugar. Let it come to a rolling boil and start adding the patties one by one into it. Let them boil for about 2 to 3 minutes more. This helps the patties in absorbing good amount of milk in them. They're all done. Now it's time to switch off the flame and add some nuts. It's totally optional, but I wanted to add some pistachios. You can serve it hot or cold. It's up to you. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I thought let me do a small taste test. I've got a little serving right here and I'm going to just dig in right away. There it goes. It's too good. You guys need to try this out. Do let me know how did it turn out in the comment section below. I would love to read them all. And as I always say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I shall meet you next week. Stay healthy and stay safe. Also, I am available on Instagram and Facebook with the name The Hungry Taurian. Now coming up next is this easy peasy thandai recipe, which is a must during summer. So please press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel to get the latest notification.